Hit the MG there.
Hey, how you cooking? How you cooking now? Push it off.
Oh, that shit's fall. Oh, that shit ain't even on nothing now.
What do you mean?
That other side?
Oh, it ain't?
Nah, man.
Hold on, let me come over there and put the stick over there, huh?
That wood it's about to bust through. I gotta put it down.
Let it rest on the car. It's on the car already, ain't it?
No.
Yeah, it is. It's right there. Let it go.
Oh, shit.
All right.
Somebody's had a field day with this. There ain't no door.
I guess not. So, we gotta lift it up a little higher, and I can stick this up underneath it to hold it up.
You see
But
that board?
nothing holding.
There's nothing on that side.
I understand, but we should still be able to lift it though, right? Crawl in and see what you can see.
I don't see these boards. Nah, that's just completely disconnected. How they got it is 4 boards wedged up this on the building. Even the top was holding up the roof.
Yeah, they need to do this. I gave her money to do this. She didn't even do this shit. So fuck it. I ain't got no time to be fucking with it. I was saying this would be a good little work area for somebody, but
Cause if I lift it right now, it's gonna fall. I'm gonna just keep it.
well, this side is attached, right? Over here on this side.
Yeah, that side is attached.
Okay, so what we need to do is we can pick that other side up. We can sit something underneath it to hold it up.
All right, can you go on the other side? Can I lift it up? Because even that right there looks like it's about to fall.
Crazy. All right.
You ready? Yeah. I don't want that shit to fall on you, okay?
Just be steady as you can. I'll try to get this up underneath.
Okay. I don't want you to get hurt.
Nobody wants to get hurt. In.
Yeah.
Down, up.
Watch it. Those boards are about to give
All right,
away.
let it go.
Yeah. You might want to get out the way, Al.
Trying to see if it's gonna hold. Let go slowly. Slowly. We need something to go right here. No, we need another board to go right here. I can make it work. Ooh,
See, that's all. Just let it go and get out the way, man. Let it
Fucking son of a bitch.
right in your nuts.
Oh,
Oh shit.
God damn it. Oh, fuck. Oh, hell. Took the fuck out of a motherfucker. It ain't sitting on shit.
It ain't.
Push it up. Oh shit.
Yeah, that board. You got another board back there. That should go fuck you up. Hold on.
Damn.
Hold that right
Got
there.
it.
I got you.
All right.
This whole place is held up by them boards, man. Shit. Watch yourself.
Well, now you pushing. Yeah.
let it go?
Let it go.
Yeah, you let it go. Now get out the way, because I don't need nothing falling on you.
She hit my nuts.
Jasmine gonna hit me up talking shit. You killed my dad.
It'll be like that.
The hell is you doing? You was digging out the whole car.
Right over this way a little bit. Think you okay, right?
Yeah, just yeah. This is good. It is good. Okay. Don't grab hold of nothing, though. All right.
I am not to, man. Oh, Lord. All right.
Yeah, once I get through with it, thank you.
Once you get through with it, it's gonna be hard.
Ew. Oh man.
What?
I'm about to sell that Cadillac, man. Part that bitch out. Or excuse me, part it out. Cause I like this.
Is the engine running good in the caddy?
We about to figure out.
You don't know?
Nah. She said she did a bunch of work to it, and she got out of the shop and she parked it because the rust was so bad she never drove it again.
You need to check that out first.
So I'm gonna go over there. Everything, carburetor opens up nice. Everything is pretty much clean underneath the hood.
Does it run?
No, we about to see.
So you ain't ever started?
Nah, man.
Okay.
This is, what year is this?
49.
1949.
Okay, how about the tires over there? The front one looks like it might be up.
Nah,
This one back here needs.
this shit flat.
Your front one is flat.
This is flat. Bunch of spider webs, but it's all good though.
It's one of you afraid of spiders.
Oh, damn.
Sound like it's because your brother was
God
afraid.
damn. I'm not afraid. I'm just running through it with my head.
There's a boom right there. There you go. Knock that shit down. Hope the door don't fall and be locked up in here. Have to call the fire department.
Nah, trust me, I get out.
I knew you would. Plus one of these walls out. You get out.
So it's a stick. And it's what, a flat 6?
Yeah.
A straight 6, excuse me.
I got 2 inches. You see another one sitting back here too, right?
Uh-huh.
I forgot. Somebody came by and identified them for me. Because I got 3 6-cylinder engines. This one, the one in the truck, and the one that came out the old 47 Chevy. That's over in the other garage we're going to go by.
You got another garage?
Yeah. In fact, this car I want to pull over there and put it in that garage. That's the plan.
So was this be a garage find? It ain't no garage find. Let's see if I can open up the hood. I'm going too far.
You should be able to.
Ah, another spider web. Ah, another spider web. Okay.
I'm out the way, man.
I am about the way.
I don't like you fighting this one. It's kind of different.
This is massive.
You got it.
Huh? I see all the dust going through the air. This is like bare bones.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Fuel gauge in the middle.
Bring your light over your phone.
Alright.
I wish I knew how to. I got one. No.
It's missing a gauge.
A bunch of gauges.
That's why I come in here and took them.
Nah, I don't know what happened. I'm telling them. That's interesting. Never seen one of those before.
I said, you ain't never seen one of those before?
It looks like a voltage regulator of some type. Single barrel carburetor. So what's the plan? You gonna redo the engine, or you gonna put another one in?
That engine? Keep it original? Take it out and rebuild it.
That's what you're gonna do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why not?
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you the problem I had.
What?
The cost to rebuild the 6 was the same as rebuilding a V8.
I'll do it myself. And if it blows up, then I'll...
After all the cost was already done, and so you're able to do it yourself.
Yeah.
Then the thing that was cheaper than both of those was to buy an LS used for $1,100.
You know, they taxing nowadays for LSs.
What do you mean? How do you mean by taxing?
Man, like
How do you
a
mean?
tax. You know, supply and demand.
Right.
You know how that goes?
Yeah, what
Yeah,
about?
they put a stupid tax on it.
Who is?
Well, the people out there trying to flip these motors.
They seem like they have a...
That's just the way it was?
It's the way it was. What happened was, where I got this car was, I was working for this lady in Pasadena,
Mm-hmm.
and they came through with notices to saying all the people have to have their backyards cleaned out. And she had this car sitting back there. And I said, hey, what you gonna do with the car? She said, I don't know, but I gotta get rid of it. I said, well, I'll buy it. So she said, okay. So that's how I ended up getting it. I got it towed over to my spot. I ain't never did shit with it since. Just you know.
Now, was it primered or?
Yeah, you see it has this primer on it.
Oh, shoot. I see it now.
They put a coat of primer on it.
This is nice. I like it. I like it. Yeah, I like it.
So, do you have a place you can put this at your house?
Hell yeah. I got a whole backyard.
You got a whole backyard to put it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shit.
I got a whole backyard. I really like the front of them. I really do.
You like what?
The front of them.
Does it, what kind of, does it have a chrome grill on the front?
It used to be chrome.
Okay, so we get re-chrome.
And what is it, like a 3-speed or 4-speed?
3-speed.
3-speed. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do my research on this. Let me go ahead and close this down.